Dave English Podcast. Subscribe, like, comment, share.
Have you ever wanted to say something in English, but the words just would not come out? Maybe you felt nervous. Maybe your mind went blank. Maybe you knew the word in your language, but you could not find it in English. That feeling is very common. And today, we are going to work on that together. In this video, you are going to practice real English conversations. The kind of conversations you have every day in real life. And you are going to practice speaking them out loud. This is called shadowing, and it is one of the best ways to build confidence in English. So stay with me. Let us start speaking today. Welcome to Dave English Podcast. I am Dave, and this channel is for English learners who want to speak with more confidence. Today, we are going to practice for real-life conversations together. You will hear to people talking. You will listen carefully, and then you will practice saying the sentences yourself. By the end of this video, you will feel more comfortable with everyday English. You will know what to say when you meet someone new, when you order food, when someone asks about your day, and when you need to ask a simple question. So get ready, take a breath, and let us begin. Before we start, I want to say something quickly. If you are new here, welcome. This channel helps beginners like you practice real English every single day. If that sounds helpful, go ahead and subscribe now. It really helps this channel grow. And it helps you stay on track with your English practice. Okay, let us get into the first conversation. Imagine you are at school, at work, or maybe at a party. You see someone you do not know. You want to say hello and introduce yourself. This happens all the time. And in English, it is actually very simple. Let us listen to the conversation first. Then we will practice together. Listen carefully. Person A says, "Hi, my name is Sarah. What is your name?" Person B says, "Hi, Sarah. I am Michael. Nice to meet you." Person A says, "Nice to meet you too. Are you from here?" Person B says, "No, I am from Brazil. What about you?" Person A says, "I am from Japan, but I live here now." Person B says, "Oh, that is interesting. How long have you lived here?" Person A says, "About 2 years. It is a great city." Person B says, "I agree. I really like it here too." Good. Now let us practice. I will say each sentence slowly. After you hear it, you will say it out loud. Then repeat each sentence with confidence. Hi, my name is Sarah. What is your name? Hi, Sarah. I am Michael. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Are you from here? No, I am from Brazil. What about you? I am from Japan, but I live here now. Oh, that is interesting. How long have you lived here? About 2 years. It is a great city. I agree. I really like it here too. Great job. Those phrases are very useful. You can use them anytime you meet someone new. Let me give you a few key phrases from that conversation. Nice to meet you. This is what you say when you meet someone for the first time. Are you from here? This is a friendly question to start a conversation. What about you? This is a great way to ask someone the same question back. Remember these phrases. They will help you every day. Now let us move to a restaurant. You sit down. A server comes to your table. You need to order food and drinks. This can feel stressful in a new language, but with the right phrases, it is easy. Let us listen to this conversation. Server says, "Good evening. Welcome. Can I get you something to drink?" Customer says, "Yes, please. I would like a glass of water. Are you ready to order your food?" Customer says, "Not yet. Can I have a few more minutes?" Server says, "Of course. Take your time." A little later, server says, "Are you ready now?" Server says, "Good choice. And what side would you like with that?" Customer says, "I will have the salad, please." Server says, "Perfect. Is there anything else I can get you?" "Thank you. Your food will be ready soon." Say each one out loud, then repeat with a natural, confident voice. "Good evening. Welcome. Can I get you something to drink?" "Yes, please." "Are you ready to order your food?" "Yes, I would like the grilled chicken, please." "What side would you like with that?" "No, that is everything. Thank you." "You are welcome." Excellent. Let us look at a few important phrases from that conversation. It is more polite than just saying "I want." Use this when you need more time. "Thank you." This tells the server you are finished ordering. Practice these phrases before you go to a restaurant. You will feel so much more prepared. This next conversation is very common. Someone asks you how your day was. Let us listen. Person A says, "Hey, how was your day?" Person B says, "It was pretty good, actually. I had a busy morning, but the afternoon was nice." Person A says, "Oh yeah? What did you do in the morning?" Person B says, "I had a meeting at work. It was long, but it went well." "Did you have lunch after?" "The food was really good." Person A says, "That sounds nice. What did you eat?" "Simple, but I liked it." Person B says, "Exactly. How about you? How was your day?" "I worked from home today." Now let us practice. Take your time with each sentence. Then repeat each one clearly. Hey, how was your day? It was long, but it went well. Simple, but I liked it. Sometimes the simple things are the best. How about you? I worked from home today. Pretty good, actually. The word actually makes you sound more natural. Try using it in your own sentences. A test, a job interview, or anything that had a good result. How about you? Use this often. This is very important for beginners. You need to ask. Let us listen. Person A says, "Excuse me." Person B says, "Yes, it is just down the street." Person A says, "Turn left at the corner." Person B says, "Not far." Person A says, "Great. And do you know how often the buses come?" Person A says, "Perfect." Person B says, "No problem." Person A says, "You too." Now let us practice these sentences. Then repeat after each pause. Turn left at the corner. Turn left at the corner. Have a good day. You too. Thanks again. Wonderful. Excuse me. Always start with this. Attention politely. It is very important in English. It sounds softer than just asking directly. Got it? This means you understand. Thank you one more time before you leave. Now I have a question for you. Which conversation did you find most useful today? Or asking for directions? Tell me in the comments below. Write one sentence in English. For example, you can write useful or the question about. The bus stop helped me a lot. I read all your comments. You practiced saying the sentences out loud, and you are already building better speaking habits. The more you do it, the more natural English will feel for you. Maybe tomorrow, the more times you practice, the more confident you will become. Every week, I make new videos to help you speak. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Keep going. Keep speaking. I am Dave, and I will see you in the next one.
Dave English Podcast. Subscribe, like, comment, share.